In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to connect your M1 Chip Macbook Pro. Yikes. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to connect two monitors to your M1 MacBook Pro. The best part? No drivers are needed and it's basically plug and play. I'm Danielle Johnson, aka The Danielle J, a content creator and a social media evangelist. And if you're looking for a workaround for the M1 MacBook display limitation and you want to increase productivity, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Our M1 saver is called the Hyperdrive Dual 4K HDMI 10-in-1 USB-C Hub. And if you made the switch to the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, the same way that I did, in a very eager, excited way, you found out very quickly that Apple was not playing about the one monitor limitation. And that's why you're here, to find out what your saving grace will be on such a steep investment that the MacBook Pro is. Priced at $199.99 at the time of recording this video, the Hyperdrive Dual 4K HDMI USB-C Hub is the one and only hub that I have found that actually delivers on its promise to be able to connect dual monitors. I even messed around and connected 3. This is how it works. But first, check out these specs. It has 2 HDMI 4K ports, a USB-C 100-watt power delivery cord, 2 of the USB-A 5 gigabytes per ports, 3.5mm audio combo jack for speaker and microphone, and 1 USB-C 5 gigabyte per second port. There are other ports that connect to our Hyperdrive that include the SD and micro SD connectors and also the Ethernet cord, but those aren't as important in this video. Now let me show you how to actually connect your dual monitors. Once you unbox your Hyperdrive Dual 4K HDMI USB-C Hub, you'll want to download the Hyper Display application. Once you do so, you'll open it up and you'll find a file named macOS Instant View app. Double click on this, it'll download to your computer. When it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file and you'll see a new screen pop up with a ribbon that has either extend or mirror display. Note, if it says mirror display, that means that it's already in the extended display version and vice versa. So if you see extended, it means mirror, but you already know that. Now, really important, you want to go over to your system preferences, go to displays, select display settings, and stop mirroring. Once you've selected stop mirroring, you can configure which screen you would like to be your main screen. Select done. At this point, you can change your orientation of your monitors. That way, if you want one to be vertical or if you want them both to be horizontal, whatever you like, do that here and then select done. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button just below. Also, if you want techie tips and geeky insights to the Internet of Things and more I only share with my subscribers, head over to thedaniellej.com and hop on my newsletter. It's absolutely free. Now here's where I turn it over to you. Will you be using the USB-C hub that I shared in today's video? Will you be connecting more than 2 monitors? Will you keep your setup real simple? Let me know in the comments below. Cheers to productivity and happy teching!